Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn how to find the HCF, the highest common factor. So we will see in this video various examples of HCF which were asked in the during last 5 years examinations for the 10th standard. Okay, so here the question is highest common factor of 5 15 equal to 10. This is true or false. Usually these questions was asked in MCQs at the number of 13, or it can be asked in anywhere, but usually it is asked with the 13 number of MCQs. Okay, so the first of all, what we will do, we do the factor of the first number 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 1 ones are 1. Now, and for the factor of 15, we know that 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1. Therefore, the factor of 5, what we have, 5 into 1, and the factor of 15 is 3 into 5 into 1. These are the factors we have. Now we will see whether we have any common factor. So we can check that here 5 is common between these two. Here we also have a 3, but checking that factor of 5, we don't have 3 here, so we cannot consider it. And 1 is here and 1 is also here in this factor of 5. So what we can see is highest common factor is equal to, what are the common? 5 is here and 1 is here. Which one is highest? Is 5. So 5 ones are 5, we know. Therefore the highest common factor of 5 and 15 is equal to 5. And in the question what we have, the highest common factor of 5 and 15 equal to 10. This is a statement given in the question itself. But what we got the answer, the highest common factor of 5 and 50 is equal to 5. Therefore, the given statement is contradicting. So, given statement is false. So, you can directly mark that this statement is false. This should be your answer. Okay. Now, we will see the another exam. This example is a sample paper example. Now we will check the another example which was asked in the board exam of March 2022. So what is the question is given? The H.C.F of 15 and 35 is 7. This is given in the question itself, and we have to check whether it's a true or it is a false. Okay. So first, whenever we have to find the HCF, first step should be factorization of the given number. For the here the number is 15, we will do the factors of this. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1, and the second number is 35. So 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Okay. So we know that the factor of 15 is equal to 3 into 5 into 1. And the factor of 35 is equal to 5 into 7 into 1. 5 into 7 into 1. Okay. Now what we will do? We will check whether there is anything common between these two numbers factors. We can see that the 5 is here also and 5 is here also. So this is common. If we check 3 is in this factor of 15, but 3 is not here in the factor of 35. So we will not consider this number. 1 is there, 1 is there. It's fine. 7 is here for the factors of 35, but 7 is not here in the factor of 15. So we have to ignore that number. We can take only those numbers which are common in both factors of both the numbers. Okay. So highest common factor, this is the highest one. If there are two numbers which are common, but we have to pick the highest one. Here the 1 is common, 1 is common, but 5 is more as compared to the 1. So highest common factor is 5. 1 is there, but we will consider 5 because it is the highest one. So equal to 5. So HCF of 15 and 35 is equal to 5. And in the question what was given to us? The HCF of 15 and 35 is 7. So this is contradicting what we have final got in answer. Therefore, the given statement is false. So you can directly tick on this is the false statement. Okay. We will again see the another 2-3 more example which was asked in the various board examination. Okay. Okay. So this example is asked in the July 2022. The H.C.F of 19, 25 and 39 is 1. True or false? So our first step has to be factorization of the given number. 19, 19 ones are 19, 1 ones are 1. 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1. These are the simple factor method. 39, we know the 13 threes is 39. So 3 into 13 is 39 and 13 ones are 13. So factor of 19 equal to 19 into 1. Factor of 25 is equal to 5 into 5 into 1. Factor of 39 is equal to 3 into 13 into 1. Now what is common in between all of these three factors? We can see the only 1 is common. 1 is common, right? This is the 1, this is the 1 and the 1 is common here, right? So highest common factor is equal to 1. Therefore the HCF of 19, 25, 39 is 1. Okay, and this is the same given in our question itself. The HCF of this three number is 1. Therefore we can see that this is the true statement. So you can directly get the 1 mark by marking the true as a final answer. Okay. Now again we will see the same HCF questions for the March 2023. The example is HCF of 17 and 23 is 1. Whether it's a true or false. So 17 is 17 ones are 17. 23 ones are 23. 1 ones are 1. So factor of 17 is equal to 17 into 1. Factor of 23 is equal to 23 into 1. Now what is the highest between the two factors? We know the high common factor is only 1 because 17 and 23 are the very distinct number, two different numbers. So HCF of 17 and 23 is 1 and this is what has been asked in the question itself. It is 1. So this is the true statement. Okay. Now we will see the another example of July 2023. This same example was asked in the March 2024 Gujarat Board 10th examination also. So you can directly understand the HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. Whether it's a true or false. By doing the factorization, we know the 17 ones are 17, 23 ones are 23, 29 ones are 29. So factor of this number, we can see the factor of 17 equal to 17 into 1, 23 into 1, 29 into 1. These are the factors. What is the common between these three factors? Only 1. There is nothing common apart from the 1, 1, 1 and 1. Right? Because these are the odd numbers. We cannot divide further. We cannot factorize further. 17, 23 or 29, these are the odd numbers. Okay, so the HCF of 17, 23, 29 equal to 1. So this is what has been asked in the question itself. So we can directly tick on that. This is the true statement. Right? Now, in the June 2024, the question was asked, the HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is what? This has been asked. It is not a true or false statement. It is a fill in the blank question. And the option which are given is 1, 3 and 5. So we have to find out whether which answer is most fit to in this blank. Okay. Which is the right or correct answer. Now we will, our first step, whenever the HCF has been asked in the question, our first step has to be factorization. So we do the factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. Until we get the 1, we will continue with the factorization. And for the 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1. For the 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Now if we check the factor of 12 is here, whatever we get, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Factor of 15 is 3 into 5 into 1. 3 into 5 into 1. Factor of 21 is 3 into 7 into 1. 3 into 7 into 1. So if we check now, what are the common between all of these three? We cannot check the common between these two numbers. We have to check the common between all of three numbers, the factors of all of three. Now we see the 3 is here, 3 is here, and 3 is here. So it is a common between all of three. 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. Apart from these other numbers, 2 is here, but we can see that the 2 is not in these two numbers, factors of these two numbers. So we cannot consider that number. 5 is here, but 5 is not here in this another two factors. 7 is here, but the 7 is not here in this two. Therefore, the 3 is the highest common factor here. So HCF of 12, 15, 21 equal to 3. So our answer should be 3. So we can directly write the HCF of 12, 15, 21 is 3. Okay. So this is what I have tried to do is I have identified all the HCF example of various board exam which were asked in the various board examinations for the Gujarat Board 10th standard maths paper, right? So you have a very clear understanding how to find the HCF. Your first step is factorization, then find out the common factor and which has to be the highest one, and if whether it's a true or false or whatever the answer you find, you can put it in the blanks. So usually this question is asked in the MCQs for sure. It will be asked in 2026 paper also. Definitely we are expecting the same. I hope this clears your doubt. You can pause the video. You can check the multiple times because there are multiple examples has been explained in this video. You can find out the easiest way to understand by yourself by pausing and continue to watch the video. Okay. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like the channel, subscribe the channel, share the video and like the video. Okay. Thank you so much.